Hi, my name is Kate from the Customer Success team here at Vevox, and today I'm going to show you how you can create a session from directly within your PowerPoint add-in. So this is really handy if you don't particularly want to have to log into the web browser every single time, but instead you can quickly just get it all done from within PowerPoint. So to begin with, you want to make sure that you open up your PowerPoint add-in and just log in. And then once you've logged in, you'll see a window very much the same as your in-browser dashboard. So you can see that we have all of our different sessions here that we are able to connect to our PowerPoint. Or what you can do is now click Create Session at the top right to make your session directly in PowerPoint. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that now. And then once I've given my session a name, I will just hit Create there. And it then creates that session for me here. It will also have created this session immediately with the web browser as well. And to then connect my session to PowerPoint, I would just click on it there. And you can see it has then populated in the right hand side. One last thing to remember is simply to click Start Session here before you plan to start running through and presenting your polls to your participants. So there you go, that is how you can create your session directly from within the PowerPoint add-in. I hope this has been helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow our LinkedIn as well.